Hello children, Sai Ram. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. And I also aware that you all enjoyed your holidays and the festivals a lot, right? But now you have to get back to your studies, and today I welcome you in your English class. And in English class today we are going to do composition, and in composition we will start the paragraph writing. What it is? Paragraph writing. I hope you all are having your notebooks and pen pencil with you. Write down today's date and composition, paragraph writing. Okay children? First of all, after writing these, after writing the heading and date, just leave your notebook as it is and listen carefully. Okay? Yes, children, can anybody tell me what is a paragraph? What is a paragraph? Yes. What is a paragraph? Yes, tell. Very good. Group of sentences. Yes. What is a paragraph? Group of sentences, and it should revolve around one topic. When we are writing a paragraph, it should have a topic, right? And we will write paragraph on that topic, right? So paragraph is a group of sentences. What is a paragraph? Paragraph is a group of sentences. Okay, and when we know that on which topic we are supposed to write a paragraph, then all these sentences, which we are writing in that topic, under that heading, so all those sentences should revolve around that topic. Okay, if suppose I ask you to write on your school garden. Okay, I ask you to write on a school garden. Then you will form sentences here. Okay, group of sentences comes in your mind. Then you should see very carefully that each and every sentence should be related to your school garden, right? Only then it will be a meaningful and good paragraph. All right, children? It means, what is a paragraph? It means the group of sentences. It means the group of sentences must be logically connected with each other and must have unity. Must have unity. All the sentences which we are writing, or the group of sentences which we are writing, it should be logically connected with each other, first of all, and it has unity. Unity means that all the sentences are related to the topic on which we are writing a paragraph. All right, on which we are writing a paragraph. Sentences must be in proper order, right? There should be a variety in the sentence. There should be a variety. Means different types of sentences. We should not write same sentences again and again. No. Otherwise, otherwise the paragraph should look bored, or there should be no monotonous. Okay? Means no repetition of same sentence in the paragraph. Okay? After unity, it should have order, proper order of sentence. Then we have variety of sentence. Okay. First of all, the group of sentences must be logically connected with each other and it must have unity. Okay. Each sentence must be in proper order and there should be a variety in the sentences. Okay. Understood till here? How we have to write the paragraph? First of all, we have to think that what is the topic given to us, that on that topic what points comes in our mind. Then from using that points we have to make sentences, different variety of sentences we have to make. Then we have to see that all the sentences which we have formed are logically connected with each other or not. Okay. Then we have to arrange them in a proper order. Okay. We should not repeat one sentence more than we should not repeat one sentence again and again. Okay. Otherwise it should look bore. It should not look attractive or creative. Okay. Now a paragraph has three main parts. A paragraph has three main parts. The first part is the topic sentence. The first part is the topic sentence. It tells us the main idea of the topic. It tells us the main idea. It tells us the main idea of the topic. Then second part is the supporting sentences. Second part includes the supporting sentences, means first paragraph or first part is related to the topic. That means it means the main idea of the topic. Okay, the sentences are related to the main idea of the topic. Then secondly, they have supporting sentences. Means supporting sentences means they support the main idea of the given topic. Okay, the sentences further we are writing are connected to the main idea of the topic sentences. Okay, and in the last part we have concluding sentences. We are summarizing the paragraph. We are summarizing, we are ending the paragraph with concluding sentences. Okay, how many parts we have? We have three parts. First we have main idea. Secondly, we have supporting sentences. Second part is supporting sentences. Third is concluding sentences. What is third? Third is concluding sentences. First we have to write on main idea. That means topic sentences. Okay. Second we have supporting sentences, that supports the main idea of the topic. Third we have concluding sentences. That means now we are ending up our paragraph. We are concluding, we are summarizing our paragraph. We are giving the last concluding sentences to end our paragraph. Okay, children? Now, children, quickly revise that what we have studied. Okay? We have studied that what is a paragraph? A paragraph means a group of sentences that must be logically connected with each other, right? And it must have unity. Okay? Then we have sentences must be in a proper order. Sentences must be in a proper order and there should be a variety in the sentences. Okay? First of all, we have unity, order, variety. Okay, unity, order and variety. Then we have three main parts. First of all, we have topic sentences, which tells us the main idea of the topic. Second, we have supporting sentences that supports the main idea of the topic. And lastly, we have concluding sentences, which the few sentences which end up or completing our which helps in completing our paragraph. Means now we are summarizing, now we are ending up with our topic. Okay, understood that how we will write the paragraph? Okay, now you have to see that whether the paragraph is a good paragraph, all the sentences are logically connected or linking with each other, supporting sentences are there and concluding sentences are also there, or not. If it is not there, then that means the paragraph is not appropriate, the paragraph is not a good paragraph. Now we will read two different paragraphs and we will see that which paragraph is a good paragraph. Okay, you have to read with me. Okay children, now let's start with the first paragraph. Okay, yes, an elephant is a huge animal. It is strong and powerful. It lives in the forest. It has a long trunk. An elephant has 2 eyes, 2 big ears, 4 legs and a small tail. It loves trees. It loves tree leaves, bananas and sugarcane. It can carry heavy load. Okay children, this is one paragraph. Now we are going to read the another paragraph. A cow is a domestic animal. It has 4 legs, 2 horns and a tail. It gives us milk. My friend's grandfather lived in a village. They have so many cows, buffaloes and goats. They sell their milk and earn money. They have big house. This is big. They have big house. Their village is very beautiful and clean. I hope someday I visit their village. So children, you have studied these two paragraphs, right? Now you will tell me which is a good paragraph. First of all, what is the topic sentence here? An elephant. Means you get an idea that this paragraph is related to an elephant. Right? Yes or no? Yes. Now the other sentences are supporting sentences, means which supports the main idea, which supports that this topic is related to elephant and these lines are related to elephant only, right? Yes. And the last line, it can carry load, means these sentences tells us about elephant, what the structure, it is powerful, it lives in forest, long trunk, 2 eyes, big ears, like this. It loves tree, banana, sugar canes, like this. And last line tells us that it can carry heavy load, means this is a concluding line. Okay. Now the next paragraph is related to a cow, means we are writing on a cow, right? First sentence, okay. Second sentence, okay. But from the third sentence, my friend's grandfather live in a village. They have so many cows, buffaloes, and goat. They sell their milk and earn money. They have a big house. Means from here, the sentences are not supporting sentences. Means they are not supporting the main idea of the topic sentences, right? That means these are some different lines. They are not logically connected with the topic, right? These lines are not connected with the main topic on which we are writing. So this is not a good paragraph. Okay, this is not a good paragraph. But in this paragraph, this is a good paragraph. Why? Because each and every line which is written here is logically connected with each other. Is logically connected with each other, and also showing the supporting sentences to the main idea, right? And it means it includes all the three parts which are required to write a good paragraph. Yes or no? Means we need, first of all, what do we need? We need topic sentences. Secondly, we need supporting sentences. Thirdly, we need concluding sentences. And all these three are included here. Right? But when we read that, when we read that topic, when we read that second paragraph on a cow, there first 2 3 lines are connected with each other, but the next lines are not connected with the topic. Okay, so this is the good paragraph. Now you come to know that how you have to write down the paragraph, right children? Now in your notebook, what you have to do, you have to write down a question. Write a paragraph on a visit to a zoo. Write a paragraph on a visit to a zoo. We are going to write 20 to 30 lines. Okay. I hope you all have written the question. Write a paragraph on a visit to a zoo. Done? Now the paragraph. A zoo is a place. First of all, children, you are going to read it with me. Then later on you will write. Okay? A zoo is a place where animals and birds are kept in enclosures and taken care so that people can visit them. Okay? My joy knew no bound when our class teacher announced that our class would be going to the Delhi Zoo on Sunday next. I was very excited and waited eagerly for the great day. On Sunday, we all assembled in our school and left for the zoo at 8:30 a.m. On reaching the zoo, our teacher purchased the entry tickets. We sat in the zoo train which had already been booked by our teacher. This train took us around the zoo. We saw all sorts of beautiful birds like African parrots, peacock, skylark, nightingales, robin, etc. We saw water birds and animals. The friendly seals, ducks, cranes, kingfishers were a beautiful sight. Next, we saw tigers, panthers, and leopards and really enjoyed the sight of the white lions. We saw wild animals like wolves, hyenas, bear, and so many other animals. We were now tired and the train halted for an half an hour. Halted about half an hour. We sat under the tree and enjoyed our lunch. The train now took us to the cages where other wild animals were kept. There was a big rush of children in front of the cages of the monkeys and baboons. We enjoyed ourselves to our heart's content in the zoo. In the evening, we were so tired that all of us were almost asleep in the bus. So, this paragraph is on a visit to a zoo. So, first few lines tells us about the topic sentences means about a zoo, that this topic is related to the zoo, the main idea of the topic. Okay, then we have the supporting sentences, that these sentences are supporting to the main idea of the topic sentences, right? Yes or no? Yes. And lastly, the concluding lines. The concluding lines. From the concluding lines, we come to know that now here we are ending up our topic, and we are, or you can say, we are summarizing our paragraph or topic here, and this is the concluding sentences, right? So all the three parts which are needed to write a good paragraph are used here, right? So now you can write any topic, right? You can write any paragraph, whichever topic is given to you, right? That first of all you have to write the sentences which is related to the main idea of the topic. Then you have to write the supporting. Then you have to write the supporting sentences. Then lastly you have to conclude your paragraph. All right. Again we are going to read this. Listen carefully. Okay, children? A zoo is a place where animals and birds are kept in enclosures and taken care so that people can visit them. My joy knew no bound when our class teacher announced that our class would be going to the Delhi Zoo on Sunday next. I was very excited and waited eagerly for the great day. On Sunday, we all assembled in our school and left for the zoo at 8:30 a.m. On reaching the zoo, our teacher purchased the entry tickets. We sat in the zoo train, which had already been booked by our teacher. This train took us around the zoo. We saw all sorts of beautiful birds like African parrots, peacocks, skylarks, nightingales, robins, etc. We saw water birds and animals. The friendly seals, ducks, cranes, kingfishers were a beautiful sight. Next, we saw the tigers, panthers, leopards, and really enjoyed the sight of white lions. We saw wild animals like wolves, hyena, bear, and so many other animals. We were now tired, and the train halted for about half an hour. We sat under a tree and enjoyed our lunch. Then the train now took us to the cages where other wild animals were kept. There was a big rush of children in front of the cages of the monkeys and the baboons. We enjoyed ourselves to our heart's content in the zoo. In the evening, we were so tired that all of us were almost asleep in the bus. Okay? I hope now you can write any paragraph which is given to you, right? Because now you come to know that how you have to write down the topic. Yes, how you have to start the paragraph, right? That the paragraph should be a group of sentences and each sentences must be logically connected with each other. It should have in a proper order, and there should be a variety in the sentences. And the paragraph is based on the three main parts. First is topic sentences, then supporting sentences, then concluding sentences. Right, children? Now you can write any topic which is given to you. Now you can write any paragraph, right? See the video again and try to write down the new topic. Okay? Till then, Sai Ram and take care of yourselves. Okay, children?